Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss nutrition in insectivorous plant. This topic is from part 1 biology chapter number 12. In this topic we will discuss what are insectivorous plant, why they are insectivores and their famous examples like pitcher plant, venous flytrap and sundew. Nutrition in insectivorous plant, they are also called carnivorous plant. What are insectivorous plant? Plant that eat insects are called insectivorous plant. That is insect eater. Vorous mean eater, insect eater. All insectivorous plants are autotroph. They can do photosynthesis. By photosynthesis, they can produce their own food. If they can produce their own food, then why they are insectivorous? Because they have to add organic food into in their inorganic diet. For organic compounds, they trap insects. They are insectivorous because they need organic compounds. And the major organic compound that they need for their food is nitrogen. By obtaining these organic compounds, their growth become rapid. It means they are autotrophs, but they are insectivorous when they need organic compound, that is nitrogenous compound. By nitrogenous compound, their growth becomes rapid. They perform a proper process of digestion. In digestion, bacteria or enzyme help them to digest organism, and after the process of digestion, absorption take place. We have discussed what are insectivorous plant. Plant that eat insects or insect eaters are called insectivorous plant. They are insectivorous because they need organic compound like nitrogenous compound, because nitrogen is a major component of amino acid and amino acid are joined together to form protein. By obtaining organic compound, their growth become rapid, but they are truly autotroph. They become insectivores when they need organic compound. The first example of insectivorous plant is pitcher plant. Pitcher plant have pitfall trap. Structure of pitcher plant, it has modified leaf in the form of a sac or a pitcher, as you can see here. The other part form a hood that partially cover the open mouth of the pitcher. It has stiff hairs. Small insects that fall into the pitcher are prevented from climbing out by numerous stiff hairs. Digestion in pitcher plant. Digestion is take place or decomposition is take place by bacteria or enzyme, and then the product of this decay are absorbed. We have discussed pitcher plant, its structure. It has modified leaf in the form of a sac and pitcher. The other part of modified leaf form a hood, and it has stiff hairs inside its cavity. Its sac or pitcher is partially filled with water or digestive enzyme. In pitcher plant, digestion or decomposition take place by enzymes or bacteria. After digestion or decomposition, food is absorbed. The next example is venous flytrap, that is Dionia muscipula. Venous flytrap has bilobe structure. As you can see here, it leaf-like structure that has two lobes. It is bilobe structure. Inside the lobes, small leaves, small projections are present called trichome, which help in folding of leaf. On its margins, stiff hairs are present, that is called bristles, and between the leaf, midrib is present. As you can see here, this is bilobe structure. It has projections called trichome. Midrib is present, and on its marginal place, stiff bristles are present. When an insect touches small sensitive hair on the surface of the leaf, it shows thigmonastic movement. Movement in response to touch is called thigmonastic movement. The lobes quickly come together with their bristles interlock. Then digestion starts. The trapped insect is then digested by the enzyme secreted from the glands on the leaf surface, and products are then absorbed. Organism is trapped, bristles are interlocked, then glands are released from the inner surface of the leaf. In that the gland produce enzymes, and enzymes decompose that organism, and then products are absorbed. Venous flytrap, we have discussed structure, digestion. In digestion, glands play major role. From glands, enzymes are produced. They do digestion, and then digested food is absorbed. The next example is Sundew, that is called Drosera intermedia. The scientific names are important. Structure. The tiny leaf bear numerous hair-like tentacles, each with a gland at its tip. As you can see here, in structure, two things are important. The tiny leaves are called tentacles, or the tip of tiny leaf glands are present. These glands are sticky, and insects are attracted by the plant's odor, and they are entangled with these sticky glands. After that, digestion, when organism trapped, digestion started. In sundew also, the protein of insects are digested by enzymes and the products are absorbed. The similar process of digestion is present in all insectivorous plants. In sundew, we have discussed its structure. It has tentacles and glands, digestion by enzymes, and then absorption take place. We have discussed what are insectivorous plant. Insect eater are called insectivorous plant. They are insectivorous because they need organic compound, and they obtain organic compound from the body of insects, and that organic compound help in their rapid growth because organic compound are part of protein. Nitrogen is the major component. They are autotrophs. Pitcher plant, its structure, it has sac or pitcher covered with hood. Sac or pitcher is partially filled with liquid or digestive enzyme. It has stiff hairs. Digestion take place by bacteria or enzymes, and then absorption take place. Venous flytrap, we have discussed its structure. It is bilobe, it has trichome, it has bristles, it has midrib. When any insect touch its bristles, it shows thigmonastic movement and they interlock. Then digestion take place with the help of enzymes that are secreted from glands, and after that absorption take place. Sundew structure, it has tentacles. At the tip of each tentacle, gland is present. That gland is sticky. When organism entangled with the glands, digestion take place with the help of enzyme, and after that absorption take place. This topic is very easy to memorize because it has the same pattern. As you can see here, name of the plant, structure, digestion, decomposition, absorption. Same with venous flytrap, structure, digestion by enzymes secreted from gland, and absorption. There are minor differences at present. Sundew, structure, digestion, and absorption. Their scientific names are also very important. With that, we have completed our topic. Thank you for watching.